So I'm gonna tell you this, YouTube. I think one of the greatest things. Yeah, I know. I only got like a little hair, but I'll tell you one of the greatest things that I messed up on. How I should do Next Live TV. To an extent, I feel like I should just uh, yeah, without my glasses, I can't really see like that, but I feel like I can the world is in me, like I don't see anything else. But anyways, so YouTube, one of the greatest things about being a YouTuber and being a podcaster is like I can I mess up. You make mistakes as you go along, but the goal is to focus on what you do. And one of the things that I messed up on is not showcasing Next Life Radio, like face to face, so you can see me. But today's topic was live life like there's no tomorrow, and for the past couple of years, I haven't lived life to the fullest like I'm supposed to, like there is no tomorrow. But doing this is how I'm able to live life like there is no tomorrow. I'm actually here at a Starbucks across the street from Fiesta off of West Tyler, not too far from Barry Ashford. And it's interesting that I know I look weird. It's interesting to do Next Life Radio onto Next Live TV, even though Next Live TV is a TV station. But so if you're listening right now, or if you're no listening, if you're watching, go to nextlifeenterprise.com, and if you're feeling it, go to the donate to us, and you click a donation. Listen, it goes up to $1 or more. Or if you want to start a business for free, you can partner with us as well too. That's I think that's one of the greatest things that you can start with, to understand how to start your own business. Um, they give you all the tools. Make sure you have a website. Make sure you have your flyers. Make sure you have a phone number for people to contact you. That's one of the most important things to do. I look weird when I'm looking at you in the camera. I want to be able to make sure that I see eye to eye with you, or you see eye to eye with me, and that we look at each other. but, um, yeah, I just want to update you guys that I make mistakes too. Try to update and uh, upload daily. Because more that you upload daily is more as you get into that search engine optimization. The more you get into that search engine optimization is the more that those keywords that you enter in is the more that they become into the recommended pages. And see, once you start becoming into the recommended pages and doing the keywords, and doing the YouTube searches and all of that, and the phrases and actually saying it into your videos, that's when you become you start getting a couple million views out of nowhere, out of thin air, like a couple 100,000 views. And that's what you want to reach, is to go over 1,000, because they reach the limit where you go live on your phone, and to be able to monetize. So you have to reach a certain amount of views per hour, or hours per view, per view, or hours of views, or you need to reach a certain amount of views or subscribers as well. So I'm already on 12 subscribers right now. Um, I'm trying to work on more, and I'm trying to work on more views. So by me saying this into the YouTube channel is how I'm able to go back into my keywords and list all of those. And because it's said in the video, because it's said in the description, because it's said into the keywords, that clicks the YouTube algorithm, like Google, and then you'll be able to find Next Life TV, Next Life Enterprise, Next Life Radio, the whole Next Life genre. But you can already Google search me on Next Life Enterprise on the Google into like the images and onto Google itself because the way that I did it is I have put it onto Pinterest, I put it onto my website, I put it on Facebook, I put it on LinkedIn, I put it on Twitter, I put it on YouTube, I put it on to, to Google, whatever. I put it into everything. I literally took the time to make sure that it is searchable. And I searched it myself to make sure that those keywords and to make sure that everything is activated into the search engine optimization. So now when you type in NXLIFE enterprise, you see me, you see my face, you see who I am, you see everything. And I did that over the past couple of years for a reason. I did the backlinks. I have like another website where it's like a backlink kind of website where it's easy to like search me and everything. And yeah, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. Anyways, that's a little bit of a tutorial, a little bit of teaching, just to tell you guys how to do it, man. Let's shout out to Starbucks, making us some coffee on this early morning of January 2020, about to go into Aquarius. By the way, shout out to myself, because my birthday's on January the 24th. I'll be 28, man. I'll be 28. I'm putting my glasses back on. I can't do this. I gotta look at you guys. You see the difference in my eyes now. I can like look at you guys, but I don't know. It just looks different. I look all serious. No, I'm proud. I'm back to who I am. like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. All right. So this is Next Life TV, Next Life Enterprises, aka John Woods, Services, and get your search engine optimization together. Get those skills and follow, subscribe, like, comment, do what you gotta do. Okay, I didn't time that right. My bad.